Hi guys, thanks for visiting my page. Happy holidays. This video is about pigmentation and hyperpigmentation. Before we continue, please click that follow button. Alright, so I want to thank Hello Perfect for introducing me to this product, Cosmelan. You see this product? And at the same time, I am obsessed with them because see this product. And see again, I've finished my money. See all these things that I get from them, including, so I've bought like 3 of these and I got introduced to it by Hello Perfect. In this video, I'll tell you how to treat your pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, which is overproduction of melanin. That's the truth. Over pigmentation, production of melanin. So you can get hyperpigmentation or pigmentation through acne scars. You can get it through overexposure of the sun. You can get it through your diet. You know, if you eat oily foods, which in turn will cause your skin to flare up, which in turn will give you overproduction of melanin, which will in turn will actually make you keep on popping your pimples. So in this video, I'll be telling you guys what I used to treat it and how this Cosmelan 2 for me has worked over hydroquinone. There's nothing wrong with hydroquinone. If you want to use hydroquinone, if you don't have a sensitive skin, go ahead. But for someone like me that has sensitive skin, oily skin, acne prone, and have hormonal acne, everything, this is what works for me because it has all natural ingredients. This product, see how small it is? Very, very effective. It's 30 grams, which is 1.06 ounces. It's this, if you can see it, like this small. And it looks like this. Now, this is about 100 and, okay, well, it's December 2021 right now. And this is about, if you really look really, really well for it, it's about 120,000 naira. I know. Please don't be upset with me. I swear, guys, I've tried every single thing. I've tried hydroquinone. Yes, I actually tried hydroquinone. And I found out because I'm sensitive, I'm acne prone. But first of all, because I have a sensitive skin, it doesn't work for me. Don't worry, calm down. But let me tell you guys a funny story. So I told my love that, baby, they're doing Black Friday sales. I'm going to go check for something. In his mind, you know, guys, they're thinking, okay, you're probably going for Black Friday sales to get like a TV or a phone. He said, what are you looking for? I said, I'm looking for my face cream. He said, face cream. So where are you going to find it? How much is it? At that time, this thing was 150,000 naira. So I told him, I'm like, hey babe, so it's about 150,000. He said, Jesus. I hope it works. So I'm like, yeah, it works. He's like, all right, good luck. And he hangs up. I guess he did not get the hint. But anyways, we women, we actually have to start taking care of our skin. And this is where this Cosmelan comes in place. In this picture you see right now, I know, it's such a bad picture. If you notice in my chin, I had a lot of dark spots right here. And it all started during the lockout season, the lockdown season. And, for me, it was a bunch of hormones. Like, I have hormonal acne around here. I have acne prone skin. I have oily skin. I have sensitive skin. So everything, na me get them. I always ask God, please just take a little bit of my yash and give me good skin. But God said, this is what you're going to have for right now. So with this particular Cosmelan and how to treat your hyperpigmentation, first of all, I suggest getting a Cosmelan chemical peel. Now in this picture right here, my Cosmelan chemical peel looked like this. I started off, they did Melano Plus right here from me, and then Cosmelan from here to my chin. Cosmelan chemical peel, they always say it's beneficial to fair skin people. It works for everybody, but you get the most results. People get the most results. The people who get the most results are people who are fair, light-skinned a little bit, and have dark spots. So now this Cosmelan, to tell you how dedicated I am about this, my Cosmelan, I wrote down every single thing you need to know about this Cosmelan 2 cream. I'll come closer a little bit so I can show you guys. All right, so what I did is I compared the Cosmelan to the Image. There's an Image brightening bleaching serum that I used, and that one had hydroquinone. And then I compared it to the Obagi. Now the Obagi, see, Obagi is good for people who do not have sensitive skin, for people who do not have that much acne. The price difference of Cosmelan and Obagi, it's actually not that much. I think the Obagi was like 30,000 naira more, which is about 100, no, it was like, well, 40,000 naira more, about 160, 170. But the Cosmelan, I got it for this particular, I got it for 120K. Now, the reason why I like the Cosmelan, it has natural ingredients in it. And when I mean natural ingredients, I don't mean hydroquinone. There is a Cosmelan moisturizing cream that has a 6% hydroquinone ingredient in it, but I don't use that because I chose to keep it with natural ingredients. So the Cosmelan has azelaic acid, kojic acid. Kojic acid is used for brightening of the skin. Salicylic acid, it treats your acne at the same time while helping you brighten your skin. Niacinamide, I'm not a good, I really don't like niacinamide like that much, but it's in a small quantity in this Cosmelan, which is good for me. It has ascorbic acid. So most of this has everything you need as a brightening agent except for hydroquinone. I know most of you are saying, it's quite expensive. If you're a skincare enthusiast, you probably know what Obagi is. Like you know what Obagi is, especially. It helps in like bleaching a little bit, but well, yeah, it actually helps in bleaching. It helps in brightening of your skin, everything that you think it will help. This is what Image is. They've discontinued this product, and I tried this because it was 25,000 naira and my Cosmelan was 120. So I said, let me just try it. Unfortunately, when I went back to get this, they didn't have it. But what I realized is that my skin after 2 months it wasn't as fresh as this picture you see right now. My videos, so just click follow, so whenever I put new videos up about skincare and beauty, you'll be the first person to watch it. Also, my YouTube channel is up there, so feel free to click on it and subscribe. In this picture you see right now, you see how my Cosmelan 2 has started. You just saw it. It's showing like how I peeled, but listen, that's for another video. So I promise you guys, just click follow, and then I'm going to be updating you guys more and more about my Cosmelan chemical peel and everything you need to know about it. How to use this. As you can see, it's quite small. The way they tell you to use this is on your dark spots. Just take a little bit. I'm just gonna, for showing purposes, I hate to waste this. Take a little bit like this. I don't know if you can see. See how small this is? Just take a little bit, and on that particular spot you have, rub it in. Keep rubbing it in, and then eventually, don't be scared when you wake up one morning and then your face is peeling. It's gonna peel because of the acids on here. Don't overuse this, because if you use this on a certain area of your face, and it's your face will get brighter, standard. Like, that's not even, it's going to get brighter. But what will happen is, if you don't focus on the other part of your face, you'll see a big difference. So what I suggest while using this is you start with your dark spots. Once those dark spots get brighter, then you can do the whole of your face. But don't do the whole of your face and leave out your dark spots, because your dark spots is going to be shining bright like a diamond. Do you understand? So in the next video coming up, I'll be telling you guys more about my Cosmeland chemical peel. So just go ahead and click that follow button, I beg. Motivates me so I can be posting my reviews and my ugly acne pictures. Like, that's my review of Cosmeland 2 and what it is for hyperpigmentation. Feel free to share this video with anyone that you know. Motivating me, and I'll bring you guys more skincare, beauty, fashion, fun, lifestyle stuff. All right, guys. Thanks. See you later. Mwah.